Good morning, Raiders. Thank you so much for tuning in during this last week of February. Hard to believe that March begins at the end of the week. Let's take a look and see what's going on. So if we take a look at the service analysis map, you'll see that there's a cold front to our south that came through on our Monday. It looks like high pressure will be in place, but we're watching the system coming in from the west. It looks like it'll be moving its way in later on this week, and we'll really see sort of a mix of all the seasons this week. It's quite interesting, and I'll have more on that in the 5-day forecast. But first, related to that, let's take a look at the outlook. This is from the National Weather Service. And for 6 to 10 days out, so we're talking early March, heading towards about March 5th or so, we're looking at above normal temperatures and above normal precipitation. Well, we like the above normal precipitation this time of year when the cold air is in place, because then that means we'll see some snow, but unfortunately it looks like we have a warm trend in place, and that warm trend will be lasting for quite a while now. So is winter over? I don't have an answer for you for that. It is still possible to have a late season snowstorm that can be very big in magnitude, so I don't want to count that out quite yet. But meteorological spring starts on March 1st, so that's coming up very soon, and astronomical spring starts on March 21st. So we're heading our way towards those longer days and warmer seasons, but between now and then, a lot could happen. All right, let's take a look at the 5-day forecast and see what's on tap for you this week. For your Tuesday, look for more clouds than sun ahead of that system that's coming in. It will be mild though, highs in the mid-50s. May see an isolated shower or two in the afternoon. For Wednesday, look at those temperatures. Highs in the low 60s, lows in the low to mid-40s. And it will be a little bit rainy and breezy because there will be a cold front swinging through Wednesday night. It could be quite windy Wednesday night, especially as that front swings through. So make sure you keep your devices charged up just in case you lose power. For Thursday, may see a rain or snow shower early on. We're watching that day because the overnight lows Wednesday to Thursday will drop into the mid to upper 20s. If we have enough precipitation left over, wet surfaces, it could freeze up. However, since the high on Wednesday will be around 61 or so, it'll be tough for it to freeze up, but it is something to keep an eye on Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, it looks like highs will reach into the mid to upper 30s, which is slightly below normal for this time of year. For Friday, look for partly cloudy skies, pretty seasonable. Seasonal for this time of year is in the low 40s, will be in the mid 40s. And for Saturday, it looks like mostly cloudy skies with a chance of rain. Highs will be in the mid to upper 40s. And looking ahead beyond that, it looks like the latter part of the upcoming weekend will get back up into the 50s. And it looks like another mild week on tap overall for next week. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll look forward to seeing you again next week.